Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to get the Polymarket app on your iPhone so you can start trading prediction markets? Here's exactly how to download it and install it. Takes about 60 seconds. Open the App Store on your iPhone and tap the search tab at the bottom. Now type Polymarket in the search bar at the top and then tap search. You are looking for the official Polymarket app. It says Polymarket in the title and it's published by developer listed as Polymarket. Tap Get to download it. You may be asked to confirm with Face ID or your passcode. Wait for the app to download and install. It's a lightweight app, so it should only take a few seconds on a good connection. Once installed, you'll see Polymarket icon on the home screen. Tap it to open. Note that Polymarket requires iOS 18 or later on iPhone. If you're on an older iOS version, go to Settings, go to General, and then go to Software Update and then update it first. Also note that Polymarket is available in most of the countries, but it is blocked in some regions including France, Germany, the UK, and others. If you are in a restricted country, the app may not appear in your local app store. So all you gotta do is go to your app store, search for Polymarket, tap Get, confirm with Face ID, open the app. Polymarket is installed and ready. Make sure iOS 18 is installed first. Subscribe for more Polymarket guides.